Alrighty, just got to my first day on Amazon. I'm about to just be doing a ride along, so come with me. Alrighty, so we finished everything. I guess most of our packages. We didn't really have that many packages today. We had like 56, we had like 200 packages. But we got through everything. Hell yeah. So I definitely bring my tripod and everything. But yeah, we got our packages kind of going. Alrighty guys, we still have like a quarter of the day left, like 50 packages left for the day. But yeah, let's get it. Okay, now we're done with all of the packages. It's definitely a sweaty job, hard, but it's definitely not easy. It's a little bit of both. I enjoy sweating eye. Alrighty, all done, everything delivered, and we are set for the day, my guys. About to start heading on. Alrighty guys, so we just finished with day number 2. It was fun, it wasn't bad at all. We got to deliver like about 200 and something. We got to deliver 200 and something packages, nothing major. We get to do it again tomorrow and Monday, and then we get paid on Friday. Definitely come back with me on Friday so we can see what the numbers are and how much we're gonna earn just off these 3-4 days. But yeah. Okay, welcome back guys to day number 3 with Amazon. Today, we're just gonna talk and show you how we start our mornings. Our mornings are super nice and super light. We start at 9:15. From there, we kind of just do an inspection around the van, make sure our van is able to drive for the day. From there, we're sent to this area where I'm at right now to get my packages. They come in these plastic bags that are super not heavy. I mean, they're less than 50 pounds, but we just grab a few of those baskets full of them, and then we kind of start loading them in one by one, and we kind of just organize them in the van the way we want them in the best way that suits us. They did give us instructions on how to do it, but for the most part we get pretty much full autonomy of our vehicle and how we organize our stuff. And yeah, let's get to it. So we got to our first package. Here's the first one. Box 912. It's in the green box. 712. Right in, green box. What is that? Can.
Kane is in the building.
I just got back to the station. Now we're gonna just take these bags
and everything else that we kind of had in here. Kind of just make sure that all of our trash, all of our water bottles, everything that we brought in, we're taking out, and you know, just leave it clean for the next person.
Alrighty, so we just finished with day 3. It is Sunday. The pay period is from Sunday to Saturday. So today technically is the new day of my new pay period. I just accomplished 9 hours and 5 minutes, something like that. Super nice, not bad at all, super light day. We're gonna come back again tomorrow, do it all over again. But yeah, we'll see how much the paycheck is. I'll show it to you guys, break it down, how much we earned, how much we didn't earn, and then what we're gonna do with the money first. Thank you guys for liking, subscribing, and thank you guys for just watching. I appreciate you guys. We're definitely gonna try to make something out of ourselves, because this working every single day to barely make ends meet is not cutting it for me, and I do not like living that way. So I'm gonna try my best to pivot from that. If that means me going to school, me working, obviously right now I'm gonna need to work. I need to bring income, and then slowly but surely I'll kind of figure it out. The chips will fall in place. I have faith in myself that I'm going to accomplish my own goals. I get pushed back a little bit, but here you definitely accomplish. Just need to accomplish your goals.